Hello everyone. Should we take the COVID vaccine? Should we not take it? What is going on behind it? We're all waiting for this magic wand called the vaccine to come and save us from this pandemic which is going on. But let me tell you, the wand is actually inside of you. Your innate immunity is the greatest wand. But first, let's come to some truths about the vaccine. Most of the companies are relying on a technology which uses mRNA or messenger RNA. So basically, when this is being injected, you have these COVID spike protein which is being produced in all the ACE receptors in the cells of your body. So what are the two types of antibodies which are being produced? One is the neutralizing one and the other one is the non-neutralizing one. So the neutralizing one can help you fight the disease. And then actually what the non-neutralizing one can do is you can have this really terrible immune response where the disease is much, much worse because of the vaccine itself. So without having an 18-month safety trial, absolutely I cannot understand how we can go ahead with the vaccine and, fast-tracking it. What could we learn from the lessons? We had the earlier pandemic of 1976 as well as in 2009. And what happened is it wasn't given in the US, but in the European fast-tracked the swine flu vaccine. It set off a huge surge of childhood narcolepsy in children. So it actually caused genetic mutations and changes in the children. And is that right? Imagine each of us are being injected with this mRNA, and then we don't know what are the genetic alterations which can happen from that. So we need safety, we need truth, we need the trials to be conducted in a safe way. I had a friend with a child with a pregnant wife, and he said no way he would give it unless the trials were done. So how can we rely on something which is absolutely, we have to learn from the earlier vaccine was called the Pandemrix for the swine flu. So we have a lot of lessons to learn because even, out of 5 children, there are several who are left permanently disabled, and even, children died because of this. So we have a lot to learn from the fast tracking of the previous vaccines and the previous pandemics. So all I'm saying is focus on the immune system inside, because that is still your best and safest bet.